Welcome to Purexy. Are you ready to kickstart your path to a healthier, more fit version of yourself? Are you searching for the key to naturally burning away those persistent fat deposits? If so, you've come to the perfect destination. While it's important to note that no drink alone can magically melt fat away, incorporating certain beverages into a balanced diet and active lifestyle may support weight loss efforts. Here are 5 drinks that can be a part of a healthy weight management plan. Absolutely. It's always important to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any medical concerns or specific health conditions. Remember, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace personalized medical advice. Join us on this delightful and nourishing journey as we explore the world of healthy choices together. 1. Coconut water. Coconut water is a hydrating beverage that offers several health benefits, but it does not directly melt fat away. However, it can be a valuable addition to a healthy weight management plan. Coconut water is a natural and refreshing source of hydration that is low in calories and fat-free. By replacing high-calorie beverages with coconut water, you can reduce your overall calorie intake and create a calorie deficit, which is essential for weight loss. Furthermore, coconut water is naturally rich in electrolytes like potassium, which can support proper hydration and help maintain a healthy balance of fluids in the body. Staying well hydrated is important for overall health and can indirectly support weight loss by optimizing bodily functions, including digestion and metabolism. While coconut water alone will not melt fat away, it can be a beneficial choice as part of a comprehensive weight management plan. 2. Sparkling water. Sparkling water is a refreshing beverage that can be a part of a healthy weight management plan. It can be a smart alternative to sugary carbonated drinks and may support your weight loss efforts in a few ways. First, sparkling water is typically calorie-free, making it an excellent choice for those looking to reduce calorie intake and create a calorie deficit for weight loss. By replacing high-calorie beverages with sparkling water, you can curb your liquid calorie intake and potentially support your weight loss goals. Additionally, sparkling water can help with hydration, which is essential for overall health and can indirectly support weight loss. Staying properly hydrated can help optimize bodily functions, including digestion and metabolism, which are important for efficient calorie burning. Furthermore, some people find that the bubbly sensation of sparkling water can provide a sense of fullness or satiety, potentially reducing the desire to snack or overeat. While this effect may vary from person to person, incorporating sparkling water as part of a balanced diet can help manage cravings and contribute to overall portion control. 3. Vegetable juice. Vegetable juice, while not a miraculous fat-melting elixir on its own, can be a beneficial component of a healthy weight management plan. Vegetable juice is made from fresh or blended vegetables, providing essential nutrients while being relatively low in calories. Incorporating vegetable juice into your diet can support weight loss in several ways. Firstly, it can help increase your vegetable intake, which is typically high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals while being low in calories. The fiber content can promote feelings of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake and supporting portion control. Additionally, vegetable juice can be a convenient way to consume a variety of vegetables, especially for those who struggle to eat them in solid form. By replacing high-calorie snacks or sugary beverages with vegetable juice, you can reduce calorie consumption and create a calorie deficit necessary for weight loss. However, it's important to note that whole vegetables are generally more filling and provide more dietary fiber than juice alone. Therefore, incorporating whole vegetables into your diet alongside vegetable juice is recommended. 4. Lemon water. Lemon water is a refreshing and hydrating beverage that, while not directly melting fat away, can be a beneficial addition to a weight management plan. Lemon water is made by adding fresh lemon juice to water, providing a tangy and flavorful drink. Lemon water is low in calories and can serve as a healthy replacement for sugary beverages. By substituting high-calorie drinks with lemon water, you can reduce overall calorie intake and create a calorie deficit, which is essential for weight loss. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which supports overall health and immune function. While vitamin C itself does not directly burn fat, maintaining good health can help support an active lifestyle and proper metabolism. Drinking lemon water can also promote hydration, which is important for overall well-being and can indirectly support weight loss. Staying well hydrated helps optimize bodily functions, including digestion and metabolism. Some people believe that lemon water can increase metabolism due to its acidity. However, the effect is minimal and varies from person to person. It's crucial to note that lemon water alone cannot replace a balanced diet, exercise, and healthy lifestyle habits for sustainable weight loss. 5. Protein shakes. Protein shakes are popular beverages that can be a valuable tool in a weight management plan. However, incorporating protein shakes into your routine can support your weight loss efforts in several ways. Protein shakes are typically made by mixing protein powder with water or other liquids. They provide a convenient and concentrated source of high-quality protein, which is crucial for muscle maintenance and repair. By consuming an adequate amount of protein, you can help preserve lean muscle mass while promoting fat loss. Protein shakes can also help increase satiety and reduce hunger cravings. Protein takes longer to digest than carbohydrates or fats, keeping you feeling fuller for longer periods. This can aid in reducing calorie intake and promoting portion control, which are essential for weight loss. Moreover, protein shakes can be a convenient and time-saving option for those with busy lifestyles. They can serve as a quick and nutritious meal replacement or a snack on the go, ensuring you meet your protein needs without resorting to less healthy alternatives. In conclusion, while there is no magical drink that can directly melt fat away, incorporating certain beverages into a comprehensive weight management plan can support your efforts. Remember, sustainable weight loss requires a holistic approach that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and overall healthy lifestyle habits. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Take care and stay healthy.